Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the stunning Design House 509653 Vanity Light in Polished Chrome, a versatile fixture that can be mounted horizontally or vertically, making it perfect for any bathroom or makeup vanity. This contemporary style piece features a large rectangular backplate, which is renovation-friendly as it minimizes paint touch-ups and drywall repairs. With space for 5 60-watt medium base bulbs or LED equivalents, this vanity light offers ample illumination for your space. Plus, it's dimmable, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere when paired with a compatible dimmer switch. Crafted from sturdy steel, this light is built for long-lasting use and is cETL certified for damp locations, ensuring it's both safe and durable. Whether you're updating your bathroom or enhancing your vanity area, this polished chrome fixture is sure to add a touch of elegance and functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.